Hello guys, કેમ છો? So this is the 13th tutorial of the Lightning Web Component series, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how we can call a method from the parent component to the child component. So in this Lightning Web component, one child component have a method, and this method call by not the child JS file but the parent.js file. Okay, so let's go our editor, and so you can see this is our parent component and child component. I already connected both the component, and one simple message over here, hello developer, I printed, and you can see preview of this Lightning Web component. So here simple printed hello developer. Now we want, so now our basic idea is we make one method into a child component. So let's say some method name, let's show, and in this method, as of now we learning about how we can call. So I simply console log it, and in the pass message is I am running. Okay, so this is the pretty easy because we are focusing on how we can call, and here you can apply all logic for your side, so this is not a big deal. And now for the accessing this property and for the accessing this property outside this component, so in the previous video we also saw how we can make a public property. So just write a decorator called as a API decorator. So now this show property is a public property, and now we can access it to outside this component. So this is the pretty simple, and we not edit our HTML file. So here this is the connector of our parent and child component. So now in the JS file, so we make one button. So in the parent component we make one button to which, and through this button we call this method, and title should be click me. Okay, and in this button we pass one event. So through this event we can call that method. So on click, and in the pass, so okay, this method name will be show me. This is the click handler, and in this function we try, so event. Now this is our event handler. In our parent component we make one button, and in this button we pass one event, on click event, and in the on click event we define one event handler, show me. And now it's time to define this event handler. So what, for the calling child property, we need to first of all retrieve our child. So for that, retrieving our child, the main connection between parent and child is this tag. So first of all we need to retrieve this tag. Let's first of all write this dot template dot query selector, and in the query selector pass connector element. So here is div child. So what we can do here is, here we retrieve a DOM element called cchild, and in this case this element. So using this element we indirectly retrieve our child element and all child component. So now after the retrieving our child component, we simply call a method, let's say so, and okay, so that's it. Okay, so guys, here simply we call a method from parent component to the child component. So now let's see how the output. So here one button for the output, simply inspect and go to the your JavaScript console, your browser console, and now I am, when I click, so you can see I am running, our output is printed. Okay, I hope all that things you understand, and that's it for the video, and we will meet then in the next video. So thank you.